first 5 minutes of market open. We got one signal on Dow. I am avoiding it. It's a strong signal. So it's the first 5 minute candle. I've got all my levels marked out already for the day, except for gold, I think. Yep. Gold is an outside day already at S5. All right, guys. I'm looking for my first trade of the week. Didn't get time really. On vacation, and just didn't get time yesterday to sniff out anything. Got a little bit of time this morning to mark up my charts, and now just kind of waiting for something. Definitely not gonna trade till 11 like I normally do. On vacation with the family, about to hit the pool, but we're seeing if I can find something early on in the New York session, something I could set it and forget it with. Plus, it's my birthday, so looking for that birthday banger. Maybe NQ. Let's see, NQ S4. Let's see what that looks like coming across here. Let's go for 1 hour. NQ would need to come down to at least S5 here. RSI already looks decent. We prefer RSI to close back above our moving average though. So S3 would be ideal if we can come down, close through S3, close through London lows, Asia lows, everything stacked up here, prior days lows. If we could clear all that out, and even got prior week, prior week lows. So all the lows are stacked up right below S3. And if we could clear all of it and reverse, that would be ideal for ES today. See if we got any news today. Breaking news, that is. I know we didn't have anything scheduled as far as economic news goes. We prefer this to come on down some more. I want these, I want prior day and I want prior weeks low as well. Russell looking pretty interesting as well. Already swept prior to day's lows. Got this guy right here too. So that's the bottom of that demand zone. Then we got prior week as well. Prior week right here being respected. All right. We've got a lot of pointed controls around here as well. So these should build out some high volume node here. All these prior pointed controls and current pointed controls all stacked together or in the same area. Which would definitely want me to come down some more here and take these lows out, because I can just see us. I'd rather use this as a target to exit my trade than trying to go right through it, because I could see us chopping around here. ES is if Kias can close above this high value node, as well as close above VWAP. Still my not ideal setup just because I don't like that it has not taken out my prior day low yet or prior week. I may put a small bite on here and just test out this move. Definitely has to close above VWAP though. Still got some sellers up here. Looks like some aggressive sellers pushing this thing down. Yeah, defending this shelf up here. That's what I'm talking about. All these prior POCs as well as current POCs in the same area. Yeah, if it closes like this, I'm definitely not going to take it. Definitely looks like it wants to chop around this area. I'm just going to wait for my move. I'm going to wait for it to come down here and clear out these lows first and displace away from this high volume node as well. Yeah, that's the setup I prefer. Yeah, so no signal there, and Q as well rejecting. Russell's rejecting. Dow did give us a signal at the open, avoided a signal even though it was graded as strong. Didn't like how RSI ended up here at the end of this candle either. RSI was all the way down here, close to already heading for oversold levels, so not much room to run after that. The Dow definitely looking a lot stronger than the rest of the indexes, though. Well, I was hoping to get in something quick and head to the pool. It's 10 o'clock now. Definitely don't want to sit here till 11, so might just call it, guys. Go enjoy my day, and all day.
Any trades?
Nothing.
Nothing.
I was hoping to get in one, but it's not cooperating right now.
Now you ready to go down to the pool?
Yeah.
We'll put some. We're gonna do the pool that has the blue
Coming.
slide.
Mhm.
So then just gonna have to get over himself.
Yeah.
Leon! What? I love your
Oh, there you go, guys. I'm headed for the pool. I'm out of here. No trade day.
You want your grapes?
A few moments later.